So far we have discussed joint probability distribution in probability chapter. Now in that next unit, sampling theory in probability. So directly going to one question. A coin is tossed 1000 times and head turns up 540 times. Decide on the hypothesis that the coin is unbiased. So here they ask that the coin is unbiased. So let us suppose that the coin is unbiased. So here in that P is equals to probability of getting a head in one toss. This is equals to, what are the chances? Probability to get is 1/2. So number of events, and in one toss it is number of probabilities are head and tail, two events, and getting chance of head it is 1. So it is 1/2. Since P plus Q is equals to 1, then Q is equals to nothing but P is equals to half. Q is equal to 1 minus half. It is again Q is equals to half. So expected number of heads in 1000 tosses is equals to N into P. So expected number of heads in 1000 tosses, it is N into P. So it is N is 1000 N, total number of coins, and 1000 times into P probability. So P is half, so it is 500. Expected numbers of heads, so it is of 500. So actual number of heads is given in question. What is that? How much? Find actual number of heads. It is equals to 540. Next difference. The difference is equals to 540 minus 500. So it is equals to 40. Next you apply the formula. Consider Z is equals to X minus NP. In this type of problem you have to remember this only, very important. Other things are very easy. NPQ. Z is equal to X minus NP divided by under square root of NPQ. So the difference, it is nothing but X minus NP. So difference always is X minus NP. So X minus NP is 40 divided by, so N is 1000 times tossed of coins 1000 times into P we calculated as a half, Q we had calculated here half. So this we are going to get here something 2.53. So which is less than 2.58. so which is less than 2.58. So thus we can say that, conclude or say that the coin is unbiased. So we got the answer here 2.53. So actually it is, if this z or mod of z is greater than 2.58. So if it is greater than 2.58, we conclude that the difference is highly significant and reject the hypothesis. We have to reject the hypothesis. What is our hypothesis? Let us suppose that the coin is unbiased. If it is like this, then we have to reject the hypothesis. So here we got mod of z is less than 2.58. That means we are not rejecting, because our hypothesis is, let us suppose the coin is unbiased. We are not rejecting this one. So what we had taken hypothesis, it is correct. The coin is, so we can say that coin is unbiased. I hope you understood the solution of this type of problem.